How to remove status in WhatsApp. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove status on WhatsApp. If you have previously updated your status on WhatsApp and now you want to remove or delete it, here's how you can do it. First of all, open your WhatsApp application on your device and make sure you are logged into your account. Now once you reach to this home page, at the top you will find three different options. Here swipe or select the updates option next to chat. Once you select it, at the top you will find your status. Now you just simply have to tap on this My Status option and it will direct you to this page, where at the right side you will find three dots. Tap on those three dots to access some menu. And once you tap on those three dots, you will find the delete button from the list. Go ahead and tap on that delete button, and a dialog box will appear asking you if you are sure to delete it. Confirm it by tapping on that delete button. Once you do so, your status will be removed from WhatsApp. So in this way, you can remove status on WhatsApp. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any update from us. Thank you for watching.